In our last segment, we have a look behind the scenes of the life of Rain finalist Anna Maria Wanga, who has integrated very well with the Rain team. Let's see what her family has to say about her.
Greetings, Namaste. Today we visit one of the amazing participants of Rain, this beautiful young lady all the way from Savo who has impressed the judges, impressed her mentors, impressed Rain Project, and I believe impressed Fiji. Today we visit her home, we talk to her mom and her dear sister right here in Wanga. We're here with Anna Wanga.
Would you let me see beneath your beautiful? Would you let me see beneath your perfect? Take it off now, boy, take it off now, boy. Well, I wanna see inside. Would you let me see beneath your beautiful tonight?
Well, I love my family. I've always been like a family person. I hardly do anything at home, but like I always, I always have their support, whether they turn up for my performances or don't. I know that they're there in spirit. We have our ups and downs.
Sometimes it's biologically passed on, and I just wanted to know if there's any form of musical.
With my wife, don't sing, eh?
I remember the time when she was young, I used to open the Twin Sisters radio before. Yeah. I used to live with her playing it and
Anna has an older brother, Inia, who's also an amazing musician. He's a guitarist. So he also, would you say he also played a major influence in Anna's music?
Yeah, my brother used to help her with her voice to match up with the guitar. Sometimes they'll always argue in front of people.
Let's welcome Anna Wanga.
You don't have to try so hard. You don't have to give it all away. You just have to get up, get up, get up, get up. You don't have to change a single thing. You don't have to try. You don't have to try. You don't have to try. You don't have to try so hard. You don't have to give it all away. You just have to get up, get up, get up, get up. You don't have to change a single thing. You don't have to try. You don't have to try. You don't have to try. You don't have to try.
What do you think of the possibilities of going further in her career?
Well, we support her in her singing, eh? People need to work hard, That's the thing. And you can eat and sleep and you get something out of it. You have to work hard.
I remember the time when Diana was, trying to go for her talent. Sometimes she make noises here with guitarists and voice. And, oh my goodness! Sometimes, I really want to chase her outside. I think the neighbors here, they disturb because of her voice. Yes, that's how she learned a lot from her.
Sing and play the guitar all night until we advise her, you better go to sleep now.
It's 1:15. I'm all alone and I need you now. Said I wouldn't come, but I lost all control and I need you now. And I don't know how I can do without her. I just need it now. Another shot of whiskey, can't stop looking at the door. Wishing you'd come sweeping in the way you did before. And I wonder if I ever cross your mind.
I think that's a real backbone behind any aspiring artists, whether in future or abroad, to have a strong family support. Have you seen some changes so far? Have you seen some changes? Have you seen some developments in terms of her confidence?
She has gained a lot of confidence, and she's able to face the crowd without realizing that they are all looking at her.
She has improved from doing a rain project, but I think along the way during all those step by step, and she goes through a lot of challenges as well. Every single day we'd see her sitting next to her bed and her laptop and singing while everybody's walking. She's singing. So I think the singing part has to balance, singing and walking and singing.
That's the part of her that she needs to improve on. For me and my wife, we are confident that she will achieve her goal.
But then also, yes, I've reminded the Rain Project girls that before they come and, perform, that they will always have to see the importance of household chores at home. It's highly connected to our awesome stage performance.
Oh, the title of my song is Go On. The melody was sort of there, like I just sat down and wrote my feelings down, and like within 20 minutes, like I'd finished like the lyrics within the first 10 minutes, and the next 10 minutes just getting the melody down, and within 10 minutes it was finished. And I ran over to my mother and I'm like, hey, would you like to hear my new song out? I like hearing from everybody and what they have to say on my song and see how I can improve it.
Don't believe everything you hear. Don't look back, as there's nothing else to see. Don't cry, waste your tears. Don't believe everything you hear. Don't look back, as there's nothing else to see. Don't cry and waste your tears. Go on.
See you next week.
Some more. Yeah, that corner there.
Yeah. Great. Thank you, Rain Project. Now I gotta sweep a lot more and work. Washing dishes too. Thanks. Thanks, Arota.